linear equations. So we need to get rid of these fractions, correct? Because that's the first step of linear equations. Now, how are we going to get rid of these fractions? By finding the LCD. What is the LCD between 2 and 4? At this stage, you probably can do them mentally. So, if not, you have to review how to find the LCD, or the least common denominator. So the LCD in this case is 4. The LCD is 4. So to get rid of the fractions, we must multiply by 4 each of them. So 4 times 3 times b plus 2 over 2 equal 4 times 4b minus 10 over 4. Now we can also put 4 over 1 to help you visualize what's in the numerator and what's in the denominator. Now, why didn't we distribute first? You will say, oh, we can also get rid of the parentheses, but in this case, in most of these cases, it's recommended to get rid of. So let's simplify. 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2. And then we're going to be left with 2 times 3 times b plus 2. You can do this at one step, I'm sure. So it will be 2 times 3 is 6, and a b plus 12 equal, well, 4 and 4 goes away, and you're gonna be left with 4b minus 10. Now let's distribute. Let's get rid of the parentheses. So 6 times b will give you 6b. 6 times 2 will give you a positive 12. If we clear these parentheses here, there's like a phantom 1 in here, which pretty much is going to be giving you the same outcome. So 1 times 4b is 4b. 1 times negative 10 is negative 10. Now let's combine the like terms in each side of the equation. 6b plus 12 equals to 4b minus 10. There is no like terms in each side, so we're done with that second step. The third step, it will be to get x equals to a number, or a number equals to x. But in this case, we don't have x, so we either need b equals to the number, or the number equals to b, because that's how we need our solutions to be. So let's move the b's to one side and the number to the other side. Let's start getting rid of this number. Minus 12, minus 12. Then what are we going to be left with is a 6b by itself, because the positive 12 and negative 12 will go away, and then 4b, negative 10 and a negative 12 will give you a negative 22. Now these 4 to the other side, right? Let's get rid of these 4b. So negative 4b and negative 4b. What are we going to be left with is a positive 2b equal to negative 22. Now I'm running out of space in here, so how I recommend to go through your equation is to go all the way down. Okay, so in this case, just because I don't have space, I'm gonna do this error and say, okay, I have 2b equals to negative 22. So what I'm going to do is divide by positive 2, divide by positive 2, and what are we gonna be left with? The 2 and the 2 goes away. That was our purpose of dividing it by 2. So b is by itself equals to negative 22 divided by 2 is negative 11, because a negative number divided by a positive number will give you a negative outcome.